One of the things I do obviously wonder about is why the flood myth is part of like most societies and most religions.
I think that one's pretty easy. It's the end of the Ice Age when the bathtub filled back up.
Huh. So it's just the Ice Age bathtub refilling.
It's the seas filling back up.
And they, without really understanding what happened, they just carried that story.
Everybody knows that everybody's nice coastal village went underwater.
Yeah.
And they had to seek higher ground.
And then just like people like talking about the weather, everybody was talking about the weather for many generations as the sea level was going up. And then that myth carried.
Why do we live here, Grandpa? Well, we used to live over there, but then the water came.
And then many grandpas later, it just kind of permeates every idea.
It becomes mythology, but global mythology. So that one, there's a lot of things I don't have a reasonable explanation for, but the flood myth is almost certainly the rise in sea level.